St. Francis World School, Meerut.
Hello students. So we are at end and this is the last day of the summer camp. In this summer camp there were so many things to learn in dance, in music, in yoga and in art. You must learn so many things and you must practice properly everything. So in this last day of the summer camp I really want to teach you something unique, something new. So today, what we are going to teach you? I am going to teach you a music of Alan Walker. The title of the music is Faded, and you must heard it during the YouTube videos. It sounds like this. Are you able to recognize it? Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to play this song. This song will be played by the double hand piano. One hand will play the chords, and another hand, and your right hand will play the notes. How? The chord sequence is A minor, G major, C major, then G major. This sequence will be played like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, And together you are supposed to play this music in this way.